The next function is length function. So you should not write the complete keyword here. You should use only len. That's it. So for this length function, number of arguments will be only one. That is len of expression. So you don't need to provide any other arguments here. Only just len of that string value or column name or anything. So what this length function will do is it will calculate the number of characters, numbers, or spaces, whatever it is there inside that expression, right? So it will give us the complete length. Okay. So for an example, okay, so if I want to calculate the whole length of this, so simply we'll write select len of @name. Now you can see 13. So you can calculate it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so including space, so it is considering as a one character. I mean, each space will be considered as a one character. So if I provide multiple spaces here, it becomes 13. So one space is considered as one character here. Okay, so that is all about the string function and this length function. Write down this. Finished?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we'll again go back to that left function and right function. So how to write this dynamic query for the names? Okay. So let's go back to the. So here we have written a static query, right? Now how to make it dynamic? We'll see now. So if you see here in the name, there is surname and we have and first name or last name or middle name, whatever it is. Okay. So basically in the name, whatever they had given, we need the surname. Okay. We need the surname. And the surname can be n number of characters. It can be 2, it can be 10, it can be 20. Okay. Whatever it is, I just need to bring it. Okay. So in my static query, it's, it's not giving the exact result set for all the, for all the names, correct? But it's in dynamic, we can easily get it actually. Okay. So now you see, see inside one string function, we can use n number of string functions. Okay. Inside a one string function, we can use n number of string functions. There is one point you need to remember. Yeah. Now if you see here, you know, the clue in this particular name is before this space, whatever we have, that is your surname, correct? In any name, between your surname and first name, definitely you will be having that space, correct?
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now before this space, whatever we have, that is your surname. Yeah. So now how do you find out the space position?
CHARINDEX. We'll calculate
Can I use the CHARINDEX here?
Yes.
Correct.
Yeah.
So
Yes, sir.
now in place of 7, what you can do?
CHARINDEX.
CHARINDEX of
Space,
Double
double quote, space,
double quote space.
Open brace.
so single quote and then space, one single quote. Okay, one space you need to provide, and comma
At the
At the
at
rate.
the rate of
name.
name. And we do have only one space and we need to find that. Okay, so you need to go for any less ones here, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. And if you see, what is the space position here?
10.
10, no?
Yes.
Okay. Now when you give left of at the rate of name comma 10, what it will do? From left side, from B onward, will select 10 characters, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now
Put -1, sir.
it also
At the end.
takes this space also, right?
Hmm.
Do you require that space?
No, sir.
No.
Space is not required. Space is only to identify till where you need the that surname. Okay, because see, we cannot identify this last character, right? Because in each and every name, this last character will vary, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So the only identification here is space for us, correct? So first you find out the space using CHARINDEX, and as we don't want the space, you can do -1 here. That's it. Okay. So you just see now, if I go and execute, I am getting Bagepalli here. And even though if I put a different name, okay, still you will get it. Okay. So can you give someone name, surname? Hello, someone give me your name.
Savanur.
Sorry,
Savanur.
Pawan,
Savanur.
Shravani. Can someone give me your surname and full name?
Hemantula Mahesh.
Sorry.
Dasar Vinod.
So earlier in Bagepalli, it is 9 characters, correct? Whereas in this surname, we do have 6 characters, correct?
Yes.
So if you go and execute this, so you'll be having 6. And even though, see here we have a only surname and then first name, right? Even though if I have surname and then first name and then middle name, okay, whatever it is there, still we can get that surname. Okay, so someone, can you give me the full name? It should have surname and first name, last name, or middle name. Sorry,
Bhumana Prasad Emmanuel.
sorry, can you come again?
Bhumana
Bhumana Prasad
Emmanuel.
correct?
Yes.
So this is your surname, right?
Yes.
Get it? So you no need to change your query. See, even though if I'm changing my name, my query is fixed, right? I'm not changing anything in my query. My query will work for any name here. Okay, it will find out the first space position and it will do -1. So which means what? A position will come, correct?
Yes.
So in this surname, last A position will come. Okay, when you do space -1. So from B onwards, it will go, keep on go, and it will give us the first 6 characters, because space position is 7. 7 minus 1, 6. So this is how we'll write the dynamic query.
Yeah.
For any name it will work. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah. Can you write down?
We want to keep -1, sir.
Sorry.
Yes.
For any names, we want to keep -1 for surname.
No, you should not blindly give -1. You should understand why it is -1. Why you're giving -1 here.
To remove that space.
So
Space,
this CHARINDEX
space
will
-1.
find out this space position. What is the space position there?
7.
7, right?
Yes.
So your left, if it is 7, right? Your left function will start selecting first 7 characters, which means including the space also it will be considered. But do you require space?
No.
No. So that's why you can do -1 here, so that space position will get minus. Space position is 1, right? I mean 7, right? So 7 minus 1 becomes 6. So which means it will say that first select from the first to 6 characters. That's why we'll keep -1. Okay. Understand?
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Understood.
Yeah. Write down this.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, here execution will take place from right to left or left to right?
Left to right.
This one. No,
Yes, sir.
it will be from right to left only, because
Yes,
for
sir.
your left function, what exactly you require? You require this name, I mean the value, right?
Yeah.
Without that cannot execute, no.
Yes, sir.
So definitely it will be from right to left only.
Okay, first it will remove that space, and first it will find out that space thing, and it
Correct.
will take before character.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly. So when you are giving left off at the rate of name comma 7, in that
Yeah.
case 7 is already there. So you no need to calculate it if it is a static query, correct?
Yes.
So then it will try to execute directly left function only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now if you see, even though if I'm having 2 string functions in a query, still I am getting a single value in the output, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, in this query, how we can get middle name?
Sorry.
Middle name. How you can get this middle name, Prasad?
For that, there is, I mean, we need to finish this substring function and all. Okay. So as of now, what you can do is we can see how to get first name, I mean surname, and this last name. Okay.
Okay.
Middle name we'll see later. You can put your names. Okay. I'll just remove the middle name. You just keep on surname on the first name. Done.
Yes.
And when you go for a right function, select. So for an example, if I need this one, okay. So I don't want surname. I just need, you can consider first name or last name. Yeah. So if I need this last name, so you can use the right function. Okay. Right. Can someone tell me the expression? Right of.
Select right of at the rate name,
Okay.
comma CHARINDEX.
Length of CHARINDEX.
Basically,
First, we need length of that name.
for right
Length
function,
of-
what it will do, it will calculate the values from right to left, correct?
Left and display as left to right.
So
But
basically,
this place,
yeah, how do you get this position?
So we need to calculate
Length of that whole name.
Full
and,
length first.
that
Okay, see if you understand, okay, without a sequence, or if you understand, see from this whole length, if we minus till this
Minus.
space position, so the remaining length will be Emmanuel only, correct?
Yes.
Are you getting it, everyone?
Yeah, good.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
From the whole length, if we minus till the space position, okay, so we'll get this Emmanuel characters only. How do you get the whole length?
By the
Length
length
of
of
name.
Length of at the rate
At
of,
the rate of name.
name.
and we just need to minus what?
Minus of char index of.
So we need to find out
Space.
space position,
Space.
correct?
Char index of
So you can simply write char index of
Name.
name -1.
no,
Not required.
why?
-1
Why?
not required.
Because it's not required here, because we just need to minus from the whole length to the space position, correct?
Correct.
Yes.
Means till 7 characters it will get removed, right?
Yeah.
What is the total length here?
7,
15.
9,
15.
15.
Yeah, it will be 15.
15.
Yeah, so total length will be 15. 15 minus 7,
8.
8.
8 kada.
Hmm.
So it will be so for your right function here it will be 8, correct?
Yes.
So which means from the right side it will try to select 8 characters, right?
Yes.
Now again it is dynamic. Okay, if I go and change something, can someone give me your name? Some big name or small name, whatever it is.
Sunny Prakash.
Sunny Prakash.
SANI.
Okay. So in this we need only this, right? So if you go and execute this, you can see this, right?
Okay.
The query will work for any name. Okay. See, don't keep the middle name here, because when the middle name comes, so your query will differ actually. Okay. I'll tell you when the middle name will come, how to select your first name or last name. Okay. So I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay.
Only you keep your surname and the last name, and based upon that, I can write down this query. Yeah, these also dynamic query. At any point of time, it will work. Okay, if you have a surname and last name. So write down this. I hope everyone is understanding.
Yes, but I have one question here.
Yes, tell me.
In the above one left expression value, in the left function, how it is you said like it is going to calculate from right? Can you
Correct.
how it functions?
Sorry.
Can you let me know, because generally left in the sense it should perform from left, I think. I'm not sure, that's why I'm asking.
Length function you're talking about?
No, not length one, above topic.
This left function, huh?
Yes.
If for the what left function will do is, from the left hand side, it will try to get how many characters we have provided here in the second argument, correct?
Correct.
But here we did not mention directly any characters, right? How many number of characters? If it is hard coded value, then it knows it how many characters it required, correct? But as it doesn't know, again it is kind of an expression. First it has to execute this expression to evaluate, to execute and get me some value. So first char index will execute and find out the space position.
Correct.
Space position, see, char index will always return integer, right? So space position here is 5.
Yeah.
5 minus 1,
4.
So now this will get evaluated and it is 4, right?
Correct.
So left of at the rate of name comma 4 means from the left hand side it will try to select first 4 characters.
Correct.
That's how it will. Same
So
case
here, the sorting will be happening from left to right? But
not sorting, selecting.
Selecting from left to right? When left Sagar had a discussion, right to left it is going to execute, is it right? That's what I have a query.
No. The point over here is the expression will run from right to left. Okay.
Okay.
Here, whatever query we have written, the
Mhm.
query will run from right to left. Okay. While selecting the values, it will select from the left to right only because it's a left function, right?
Mhm.
Query will
Just-
execute right to left. Selecting will happen from left to right.
So this query selecting. Oh, okay. Got it.
This is the query.
Mhm.
Selecting the characters means in this one.
Yeah. Now I'm clear.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
For a dynamic query for a right one, why don't we consider that -1 space?
For right one, no? No, why do we require for right function? Because see, we are calculating total length, correct?
Yes.
What is the total length here?
Including space, if it is 12. 12.
12.
How many?
12.
12, right? Now 12 minus, okay, and we are finding out char index of space at the rate of name, correct? Space at the rate of name means, at the rate of name means, what is the space position?
5th.
5, correct? So 12 minus 5,
7.
7. Now if I put 7, what it will do here? From the right side, it will try to select 7 characters. How now?
Yeah.
Can you see Prakash name will contain 7 characters, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. See, it depends on the situation. Either will keep +1 or -1. Not every case. Okay. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir, in the right function,
Mm-hmm.
length at name we have taken, right? Length at name.
Yes.
So it will going to like remove that space with the whole length or only the right parts.
Sorry.
The char index of the space we have taken, it will going to remove that space from the whole length or only from the
See,
right.
removing is nothing but here it will just consider the space position. Okay.
Yeah.
So see, let's see. If I write a select at the rate of name, length of at the rate of name means, and also I'll write separately all the expressions. Okay. So declare see the total length will be 12, correct?
12.
And minus and first space position would be what? 5.
Position.
Right.
Yeah.
This space position is 5, correct?
Yes, sir.
So 12 minus 5 becomes 7.
7.
So what it will do, this right function,
Yeah.
it will select the characters from right to left, correct?
Yes.
How many characters it will select?
7 characters.
Why? Because from the total length, we are just minusing this till the space position.
Yeah.
Okay, now?
Yes, sir. Got it.
That's how it will. It's very simple actually. Just need to understand. Everyone is clear, no?
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Why that single quotes are used after
Which one? This one?
CHARINDEX, sir?
Yes.
Because I want to find out the space position, right?
Yes.
That's why you just need to put one single quote and space you need to provide here, so that it will find out the space position. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, what if there is a middle length?
I'll tell you. Just write down this. If you have a middle name, then your expression will gonna change little bit. Done? Yeah. Okay. So can someone give me your surname, middle name, last name?
Dasari Kavita Rani.
Sorry?
Dasari
Dasari.
Kavita Rani.
Okay. So basically this is your surname, this is your middle name, this is your last name, correct? Last name or first name, anything you can consider. So basically I need Rani, right?
Yes.
So in this case, what you need to do is select right of @name, comma. See, if you use the same expression, what will happen?
We'll
From
get
the whole length, it will minus till this first space position, correct?
Yeah.
But what we need to do?
Second space.
Second space
Yes,
position.
exactly. We need to
Space also.
space till minus till the second space, correct?
Yes.
So now here what we will do, length of @name
Mhm.
minus. So how do we find out the second space position?
CHARINDEX of
Index of
Yeah.
space,
CHARINDEX
Yeah,
of
index.
single quote,
quote,
Code, comma.
single quote, comma,
comma @name,
name.
comma
CHARINDEX of
CHARINDEX of
CHARINDEX of
single quote,
Single
single
quote,
quote,
space,
quote,
comma, @ name.
name.
plus one.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Not -1, it's +1. We have to start after first space position, right? The searching,
Yeah.
correct?
Yes.
So this is what we discussed yesterday, right?
Correct.
So what this CHARINDEX will do, it will find out the first space position, and +1 means what is the first space position? 7. 7 plus 1 becomes 8. Correct. Now for this CHARINDEX, the searching position will be 8. Correct.
Mhm.
So from K onwards, it will start searching what?
Next space.
Next space. Okay, and then the next space is at
9, 10,
7,
11,
8,
13,
9,
14,
10, 11, 12,
16.
13, 14. The next space position is at, sorry, 9, 10,
15,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15.
Yes.
Yes. So now 15 will come here. So what is the total length?
16,
17, 18, 19.
Sorry,
19.
19. Yeah, total 19 minus 15. How much?
4.
4. Correct?
Yeah.
So Rani, number of characters of Rani will be 4 only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how it will be. Now the close and open brackets are very important. See, this close bracket is for CHARINDEX, and there is a open bracket for your right function. Correct? And close it.
Yes.
Now if you go and execute it, now you see.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you have the first name, middle name, and last name, then we can go for this. And if you have only middle name and last name, sorry, if you have only surname and last name, then you can go for this query.
Yeah.
Yes. Here.
Yeah.
Yeah. If anyone didn't understand, let me know.
Sir, is there any chance to get the name by using left function? Like,
This one,
left string. Yes, sir.
we can do that. Okay, but before that, we need to do some reverse action.
Okay.
I'll show you that.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. Sir, please remove the cursor.
Sorry.
Mouse. Okay.
Yeah. Finished?
No, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Why you plus one there? Actually, we have included a space.
This one.
Yes.
See, this plus one is for finding out the second space position.
Then you have gave a space after CHARINDEX, no?
Sorry?
You gave a space after CHARINDEX, no, for that space.
Correct. See, if it is a single space, how do you write the query? Simply we'll write CHARINDEX of first space and at the rate of name, correct? This will give us first space position, right?
Okay, yes.
Now to find out the second space position, what we used to do, we'll write one more CHARINDEX in place of searching position and we'll do plus one. So this entire query will give us what? Second space position, correct?
Yes.
Yes. So, and from the total length, we'll minus that second space position. You no need to give any minus ones and all here. This plus one is the part of yours to find out the second space position.
Okay.
See, that's what I said yesterday. You need to practice that CHARINDEX. If you see in the 1 second, 1 second. Can you see what is the expression to find out second A?
Plus one.
CHARINDEX of A string, CHARINDEX of A plus 1, right?
Yes.
Or no?
Yes, Vinod.
So the same thing I have applied over there. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. If you want, you can write in this way so that you can understand. Select right off at the rate of name, comma. So what I have written is total length, total string length minus second space position. Correct? The above case, in this case, right off at the rate of name, total length minus total string length minus
First space.
first space position. Okay. Yeah. Write down this. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done?
Yes. I think, sir,
Yes.
for middle name, we should for second space position minus first space position we will do. Then
Sorry?
we will
Yes,
in
for middle name.
middle name,
Yeah.
we have to do total length minus second space position minus
Yes, correct. If we need to get this middle name, second space minus first space position, but this left and right won't work for us. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, after this, can you please mute? I'm getting a lot of disturbance. Yes. So the next function will be reverse function. Reverse of at the rate of name, let's say. See, even for reverse function as like your length function, right? It will be only one argument for reverse also. Okay. So what it will do is, let me just comment it. Yeah. So what this will do is it will just reverse the entire characters. Okay. From I, to D, it will reverse all the characters. Can you see this? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, someone has asked that, sir, can we get the answer? I mean, this Rani by using the left function.
Yes,
So
sir.
we can do this. Okay. So what you can do left actually, select left of. So what you can do is instead of taking directly name, right, at the rate of name, you can just reverse it and take. Okay.
Okay.
So now what will happen? These entire characters will get written. I mean reversed. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So now if I want to find out this first, I need only first 4 characters. Correct.
Yes. Yes, sir.
That too before first space position.
Yes.
Now how do you write? How do you get the first space position?
At the rate name.
At the rate.
CHARINDEX.
Char index of first space, comma,
At the
one
rate.
comma. Yeah, see here, one thing you need to remember is you should not put at the rate of name here. It is wrong.
Okay.
Why? Because we have to find out the first space in the reversing, right?
Yes.
Reverse string, correct?
Yes.
So you have to take the complete reverse string over here in the place of at the rate of name. Okay.
Okay.
So now close bracket and again one more close for your left function. Now when you go and execute this, we'll see what exactly will come. We are getting in reversed way, correct?
Yes, sir.
INAR, but it should be
Yes.
Rani, right?
In reverse.
So now what you can do, this entire result set, can I reverse it again?
Yes, sir.
So what you need to do now?
Reverse of.
So before left, you can write reverse of
Reverse of.
and close bracket. And if you go and execute, here is your answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now you can see I have used the left function, reverse function, CHARINDEX. Still my result set would be single value.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Understand this one?
In this case, here we not required -1 to remove the space.
Yeah. Here these things are not required. Why? Because we just reverse and we just. Oh, one second. What you said?
When we selected this.
Yeah, -1 is required. Sorry. -1 is required, right? Because it will find out the space position, right? But
Correct.
we don't want space. See, if you copy this Rani here, you can see one space here in the
Space,
left hand side.
Yes.
So what you need to do here?
-1.
-1, correct?
Yeah.
So where exactly you need to do is after CHARINDEX -1, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you go and execute now, see now there is no space. If you copy, okay, there is no space here. Okay,
Yes.
understand?
Yes.
So that's how it will be. Are you clear, everyone?
Yes,
So
sir.
you can write it in any way, okay? But ultimately it should be dynamic and it should give me the proper results. Yeah. See, once you are done with your questions, right, please mute yourself, okay? Yeah. So if any questions are there, just unmute and speak. Any questions? Anyone in this?
Sir, -1 shows the position of R.
-1 shows the exactly. Okay, so it will, so this will find out, you know, this space position, correct? When it is reversed, correct?
Yes, space
So when you
minus
do -1, it will go to the R position.
R position. Yes.
Yes, from the right. I mean,
Yes.
when you are reversed, it will become left now.
Yes, searching is for the
Yes.
searching position.
Yes, the space position is what? 5.
Yes, sir.
5 -1, 4. So what is the R position? 4 only, right?
Yeah.
So
Yes, sir.
from the left hand side, it will select 4 characters. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right down. Yes.
This -1 is for
Yes. Any questions?
Sir, I have little confusion about this -1 position.
Can you explain me what you understand?
Sir, I understood that we are getting Rani from this reverse position. First, we have to invert the name. Okay.
You are confused about only this, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain me what you understand here?
CHARINDEX space reverse at the rate of string value.
What it will do? What this will do actually?
It will give the space position
What is the space position?
from the reverse order.
What is the space position?
second space means from the reverse side, first space position.
Yeah, what is the first space position while reversing?
It's before the R.
Before the R.
Yes.
After
It's after R, right?
Yes.
That
Sir,
space.
then I have little confusion about this bracket. About this bracket, we have to put the -1 in this bracket only. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now it's fine.
Now it's fine, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir. I have little confusion about this space.
Yeah, now you will get the Rani properly. 1 second. 1 second.
first one only.
This -1 should be after this CHARINDEX actually, not before.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I got it, sir.
Yes.
Actually, at the rate of name has also bracket. That's why there is 2 brackets.
Yes, yes. See, for reverse, this is the closure bracket. For
Yes, sir.
CHARINDEX, this is the close bracket.
Yes, sir.
And
Actually,
then
actually at the in front of between the reverse and name, I missed that bracket, so that's why I get confused.
Yeah, and this open and close brackets are very important actually.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now understood, sir.
Yeah. Anyone have doubts in this? Anyone have any doubts? Please let me know. No doubts? Hello?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, why we are using reverse means someone has asked that, can we able to get the same thing? Can we able to get the same output using left function? Okay, so that's why either you can write using this right function, or you can using by reverse and this left function, right? So we can able to get it. Either way you can write it actually. That's why I have used the reverse and left function. Okay. Please let me know if you have any questions, because going forward similar kind of expressions will come. So again, yeah, tell me. So I cannot explain over there. That's why I'm asking this many times. Please let me know. Any doubts? Any doubts? No doubts?
Those.
Okay, fine. So we'll go to the next one. Right on. The next function would be replicate. Replicate. What is meant by replication?
Copy.
Repetition.
Repetition. Yeah. So for replicate, the syntax would be replicate of expression, comma value. Okay. Select replicate of. Okay. So for an example, if I am giving at the rate of name here, comma, I want to print the entire name 2 times.
Yeah.
So then it will replicate one after another. Just see if I go and execute this. Can you see this?
Mhm.
So it will display. Clear?
Yeah.
So if I need a comma between them, between the same name, okay, I need a comma. What should we do? See, basically,
Plus.
what this two will do is, in the expression level, whatever we have, right, it will just replicate that. That's okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If I need a comma here, what you can do? After first Rani, okay, Dasari Kavita Rani, I need comma. And again, Dasari Kavita Rani. If I have one more name, so I need to put a comma in between every name. So
After
Comma, single quote.
after
name, single
one.
quote, comma.
Single quote, comma.
Single quote will give space only, right? Not.
Should not put single. Should
Comma.
put basically
Comma
plus
and
single quote comma. Why? Because see, in SQL Server,
First.
when you do single quote A plus single quote A, both are characters, correct?
Yes, sir.
So what it will do means it won't become 2A here, it will become AA.
Yes.
So if the characters you are combining it, now it will just come sideways.
Yes, sir.
It will come side by side. When you do the numbers, right, then it will just do the sum. Okay.
Yes.
So this is called as concatenation. Concatenation. If we are combining character plus character, it will get concatenated. When you combine, when you sum any integers or any decimal point, it will do the sum. Okay, na?
Okay.
But when you do single quote A plus 1, so see this A is a string, correct?
Yes, yes.
1 is an integer.
Yes.
So in this case, if you go and execute, it will throw an error because if it's not possible to combine character and integer.
Integer.
Okay. Yeah. Here what I did, I just plus and just added a single quote. So now what it will do for the name, it will append comma, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And that will also get repeat, na?
Yes, sir.
Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
But if we want only one comma.
Yeah. So we can remove it actually. The last comma is there, na? We have a one function called stop function. Using that, we can remove that comma.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. As of now, we can write down this. So replicate means whatever we provided in the expression level, everything will get replicate number of times which you provided here.
Yes,
yeah. And replicate require two arguments. One is expression, the another one will be value.
Sir, what did you said for concatenation? Character plus character.
Yeah, character plus character means you'll get A. 1 second.
Sir, have you got the space?
Which one? Which one?
Means the comma.
No, I just entered manually.
Manually.
Yes.
So we can write in a bracket addition of character plus character. Addition of characters.
What is meant by this?
Concatenation.
Concatenation is nothing but you can put brackets also, no issues. Okay. So still when you execute it, right, it will come side by side. So usually in your mathematics and all, when you do A plus A, it's kind of a 2A something, right?
Yes,
so,
sir.
but here it is not like that. Side by side, it will get concatenate. And when you do same thing for your numbers, it will just give us the total sum. Okay.
Sir, that comma is after first single quote, sir.
Sorry, what comma?
Here, sir. After @ name place after comma, sir. it is in between two single quotes.
Single quote. See, why I have put single quote means comma is what? A character, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the characters should always represent within the single quote, right? Understand?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's why. Okay. So don't think your single quote will replicate in the output. Okay. Understand?
Okay.
Yeah. Single quote is just to consider this comma as a string. Okay. But it won't display in the output. See, even in your Dasari, this name also we have a single quote, right? Is it replicating over there? No, right? Single quotes are just to identify the value as string actually. Okay.
Can you move the server cursor, sir?
Sorry. Write down below things also. Okay.
So why we give plus after that the rate of name?
Why?
Why we give a plus symbol, addition symbol at the rate of name?
Because what I required is when this name is replicating, I need comma in between every name. Okay.
Okay.
So that's why for this name, I just added one comma. So what exactly will happen means for this entire name. So let me just put it over here. Single quote. Okay. So I manually entered a comma. So what will happen when you combine character plus character like A and A? It will become Dasari Kavita Rani comma, correct?
Yes.
So that will get replicate. See, Dasari Kavita Rani comma and same name comma, like that it will get replicate. Okay. So I just manually entered because to separate every name with a comma. Okay, na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
plus symbol is mentioned for comma.
Yeah, the plus symbol is just to add this comma to your name. That's it.
Okay, if we don't want space means we don't want to add that plus symbol.
Yes, yes. If you need one space, let's say, in between your name, then instead of comma, right, you can put a space there. That's it. Now you can see between your first and every name, you will be getting one space. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So see, this whole thing will be considered as expression now. Okay. That expression will get replicate.
No.
Yeah. Finished? Are you getting it, everyone?
Yeah. So
Write down this one as well. Select A plus A, select 1 plus 2. Yeah, tell me, someone having a question.
so here select A plus 1 is an invalid statement, right?
A plus, yeah, it is a invalid statement.
Okay.
Let me know once you finish.
Done, sir.
What about others?
Done, sir.
Yes.
Yes, done.
Done, sir.
Okay, fine. No questions, right?
No, sir.
Okay. Next function will be LTRIM. LTRIM. And for this LTRIM and RTRIM, the number of arguments will be only one. See, at the end of the string functions, you need to write all the string functions along with how many arguments are required for each and every string function. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So LTRIM of expression, RTRIM of expression. You don't need to provide any characters here. Okay. So what is meant by trimming?
To cut or cutting.
Something we are reducing
Removing,
the
sir.
length.
Removing, basically,
Removing or
correct.
cutting. Yes.
Yeah. So here, what it will remove is, it will remove the spaces if anything is there in the left hand side. Okay. LTRIM will remove the
Yes.
spaces which are there in the left hand side, and RTRIM will remove the spaces in the right hand.
Right hand side.
And we don't have any MTRIM here to remove any middle spaces.
space.
Okay, but there is something called a replace. We can do using the replace function. We can do that. Okay.
Okay.
So you can just see now. Select. Let's say here I have some spaces, and here also I have some spaces. Okay. We don't know how many number of places are there. That's spaces are there. That's fine. So LTRIM of @name. Let's see whether it will trim the spaces or not. Okay, and if I go and execute this, can you see the left hand side? We don't have spaces, correct?
Yes.
So before that, let me print the name first. Before RTRIM, what is exactly the value you can see, so that you can feel the difference. Can you see here we have space, and while doing our LTRIM we do not have that, correct?
Yes.
And in the same way, now we'll be having what, when you do LTRIM, this value will be there, and right side spaces will be there, correct?
Yes. Yes.
If I want to remove that, what you can do again in the same expression.
Right.
So
Or
now
trim.
RTRIM. So it's kind of your inner query and outer query, correct?
Yes, sir.
First inner query will execute, and the results it will be passing to RTRIM as a input, correct?
Input to outer query.
Yes. And you can see now no spaces between left and right. If you want, you can just copy it over here, and you can see there is no space in the left and right side. So why these functions will help means where do we use this LTRIM and RTRIM is, so when the data entry is happening, sometimes the spaces will occur in the columns, okay, in the row level. So in such a case, so we'll just apply the trimming LTRIM and RTRIM functions to remove that spaces left and right sides. Okay.
So 1 second, sir.
Sir,
When we will be getting Excel files, right, the data. So there in some of the columns, when they are doing entries, right, there might be a chance that we have spaces in the left hand side and right hand side when they are typing. Okay. So in such a case, if you want to remove that spaces left and right, we'll go for LTRIM or RTRIM functions. Okay.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, select at name only without any LTRIM or RTRIM.
Select
at name.
Okay.
We'll be having like both the side. We will be having space, right?
Yes. Let me
But
copy
in the
here.
output.
Can you see this?
Yes.
The cursor is blinking over here, which means left side also we have space, right side also we have space. So maybe you are not able to see this
Yes,
because
sir,
of this. If you drag it,
restriction. Yeah.
I mean, if you copy, you will get to know.
Okay. Okay. Sir. Yeah.
Yeah. But while after doing LTRIM and RTRIM, and you just copy this over here, you see nothing. No, I did not copy this. 1 second. Do you have any spaces here, left and right?
No, sir.
No. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you write down? LTRIM and RTRIM will remove spaces in left and right side respectively.
LTRIM and RTRIM will remove.
LTRIM and RTRIM will remove spaces left and right respectively.
Sir,
Yes, please.
so by the time when we altering the data, these functions we are using on the top of tables, na?
Yes, yes.
Or-
As of now, I'm using in the variables, but usually we will write on top of the tables. Okay.
Because
So just understand this on top of the variables first, so that
Yes.
once you understand, then we can easily write it.
Okay, sir.
Finished. Finished up.
Yeah. It's
Yes,
done.
sir.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
Vinod, you have used a terminology for this execution, right? Module expression and value together. You said some terminology,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
What is the terminology?
Arguments are parameters or input values. Okay, but usually we'll say arguments only. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
What are arguments?
1 second. So arguments is nothing but, see, for your right function we are providing inside the parenthesis expression comma value, correct?
Yes, sir.
This expression 1 is nothing but argument 1. This expression, this value is nothing but argument 2.
Okay.
Yeah. Done.
Done, sir.
Okay. So with
Hello.
this, you have, yeah, tell me.
ఆ రైట్ అండ్ లెఫ్ట్ ట్రిమ్ బదులు ట్రిమ్ అనే ఒక ఫంక్షన్ ఉంది కదన్నా,
Right and left.
ట్రిమ్ ఆ ఫంక్షన్స్ యూజ్ చేసే బదులు ట్రిమ్ ఫంక్షన్ లెఫ్ట్ అండ్ రైట్ రిమూవ్ చేస్తుంది అనుకుంటా. ట్రిమ్ ఫంక్షన్
No, no. See, we cannot trim the characters. Okay. The LTRIM and RTRIM will help us to remove only spaces, not the characters. Okay. Understand?
ఓకే.
So the small, I mean, almost the first few string functions are over. Those are very, very simple, except this CHARINDEX. Okay. So then now the very, very important string functions will be coming. Okay. So one is substring function, very, very, very important. Mostly we'll be using this substring and CHARINDEX combination in the real time. And for this one, argument should be expression. You can see here, it is already showing here, right? Yeah. And it is also telling expression, comma, starting position and length, and returns what? An integer. I mean, sorry, it's a string value. Correct? When you are typing any data type, I mean, any function, right? See, it automatically what exactly the expression required, what exactly it will return. So your length function will always return an integer, not character, correct?
Yes, sir.
And your CHARINDEX will also returns.
It will also return
Your CHARINDEX will return integer.
CHARINDEX
Okay. So yeah, except these two string functions, all other functions are returning characters only. Correct?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So length of, I'm sorry, not length. Substring of expression, comma, the next argument will be starting position. I'll tell you what exactly this means. Starting position, comma, length. It is not ending position, it is length. Okay. These many arguments it required for substring, guys. One is expression, the another one will be starting position, and then length. Okay. Write down. Substring function will give us or provide us a sub part in the given string. A substring function will give us a sub part in the given string. Done. Write down this syntax.
It will give us the part in a function.
Yeah. Write down this expression, this syntax.
Vinod sir.
Yes.
You told the definition like string functions will always return a single scalar value. Here value can be either characters or numbers, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Yeah, you need to know which string function will return what, whether it is a scalar, whether it is a number, whether it is a character.
Okay.
Finished? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. So see, in the name itself, it is saying that, substring, which means in a string, okay, if you need some part, okay, in a string, if we need a sub part, then blindly we should go for a substring function. Okay. So for an example, we have this name, right? If I need Kavita here, Kavita is a middle name, correct?
Yeah.
So if I need to get it, I cannot use your left and right functions, right?
Yeah.
And this is the whole string. And in this, what I required a subpart in it, correct?
Yes, sir.
So in such a cases, blindly we should go for a substring function, and how to write it, I'll show you. Substring of, can you please see the screen? Don't write. And what is the expression here? Where we store the expression? And at the rate of name.
Name.
Yeah.
At the rate.
Yeah, at the rate of name. Sorry. Comma. Yeah, just please observe here. See, for this substring function, right? First argument will be starting position. Starting position means we need to tell from where to where you require, from where you need to start to select the characters. From where we need to select? From K, correct?
Yeah.
Correct, from K we need to select, correct or not?
Yes.
But we need to write it in a dynamic way, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
So maybe in this name, the middle name starts with K, but in another name it can be A, it can be M, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, and also the position also may vary.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
now
sir.
how do you get K position here?
CHARINDEX of
By using CHARINDEX.
We can find out space position, right? First space position.
Yes, sir.
So, and we should not minus now. We should do +1, because after first year we need to find out, correct?
Yes.
Sorry,
Yeah.
first space. Yeah. I'm getting lot of disturbance actually in between. CHARINDEX of single space at the rate of name. So which will give us the first space position. But what I required is after first year, whatever we have, from that onwards, we need to select it, correct?
+1.
So we just need to put +1. Can you please mute everyone? I'll only explain. Yeah. So CHARINDEX of space means, so this space position, first space position will be 7. Okay. And 7 + 1 becomes 8. So which means from K onwards, it will try to select it. Okay. So this is the starting position. Comma, the next argument will be length, guys. So which means from K to how many characters you need. Okay, from K to how many characters we need. So you need to include K also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 characters, correct? Now, how do you get that 7 characters? Because in this name it is 7. In the other names it can be 10. In the other name it can be 2 characters. Okay. So in such a case, how do you get that length of Kavita?
So we can go with space -1.
Yes. No. Which is space?
Second space position minus first space position.
Now, see, when you do second space, what is the second space position?
Sir, CHARINDEX of
One second. What is the second space position?
15, sir.
15 minus 1? 14. Now, can you see Kavita number of characters will be 2, 2, 6, 7, right? But you are giving 14.
Yeah.
So which means it is wrong.
Yes.
So you are calculating from Dasari to this till A, correct? 14 characters means, which is wrong, right? So I need only this Kavita's length.
Yeah.
Now how do you
Second space position minus first space position.
Exactly. So can you get the what is the second space position?
15.
Okay. See, basically we need to remove from A to first space position, but we cannot find out A position, right? Directly. So first find out the second space position. How do you find out second space position here?
CHARINDEX.
One second. I'll make it as this one as starting position How do you find out the second space position? Second space position.
CHARINDEX.
So first
CHARINDEX of
Space.
space.
name. Open
Then comma again CHARINDEX of
Single
Space.
rate of
Very
name
name
plus one.
+1.
correct.
Yes, sir.
So this will give us what?
Second
Second space.
Second space. Okay. Minus I'll just put it as minus what? First space position.
-1 we are going to give.
No, it's not -1. See, from here to here, if you remove, you will get the Kavita length, correct? So first space position, and then what is the second space position minus first space position. So how do you find out first space position? This is the syntax, correct?
Yes, sir.
We'll calculate it anyway. Okay. Now what is the second space position? Can you calculate and tell me?
15.
15, huh?
Yes, sir.
15 minus what is the first space position?
7.
7, huh? Okay. 15 minus 7 becomes
8.
Okay, but what is the length of Kavita?
7.
7. So what you can do now?
Minus 1.
Whole minus 1 can I do?
Yes.
See, why do we need to do -1 means basically, you need to minus from A to, I mean, the last character in this middle name to this space position we have to remove. But in this name, it is A. The last middle name character will be A. But in the other names, it can be different, right? I cannot find out what exactly that character will be, correct?
Yes.
The clue for us is here, the spaces, correct? So that's why, so I'll just take the first space position and minus second space position. Okay. So as we need to minus from A to this one, right? So at last I'm doing -1 here. So which means again, it will go back to the one space back, right?
Okay, that second space we are minusing here.
Yes. No, see, not second space. From the whole, I'm doing -1. That is also possible. Or else you can do one thing. You can do first space, you can find out. And if you want, we need to minus from A to this first space, right? Now, how do you go back to the A here? Can I do second space -1?
Yeah, we can.
Correct?
Yeah.
So now what position it will give us? Tell me.
So in the inner query we have
14.
Yes, this space second space position is 15, correct?
Yeah.
15 minus 1? 14. Now what is the first space position? 7. And 14 minus 7?
7.
Either you can write in this way, this is also fine, or you can do in this way also. Both are fine actually.
Like we discussed the previous one, right?
Yes.
-1 you're adding, right? Like
I'm doing -1 at the end actually. Minus.
That -1
at last -1. Either way it is fine.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
See, minusing from second space to first space and whole -1 also same, or second space -1 and minus first space. This is also fine. Both are act like same only.
That is what Vinod I'm telling. Like, so here in whole we are doing -1, right? That here you're minusing that second space only, right?
Correct. So you see CHARINDEX of first, this is second space position, correct?
Yeah.
Minus first space position. At the end, whole -1 I am doing.
Okay.
But in this expression, I am minusing, I am doing -1 in the second space itself.
Yeah.
Okay. So either way it is fine actually. Okay. But for me, this will be easy always. second space minus first space, and whole minus 1. This is easy for me. Okay, so this will give us what? This Kavita's length, correct? 7 characters, right? And you close the bracket. Okay, 1 second. No, somewhere it is wrong. Let me just go. So open brace for this CHARINDEX and closed. Okay, and this closing bracket is not required here. Yeah, so what I'm trying to do, this whole CHARINDEX minus 1 I'm doing, right? That's why I have put here open brace and close brace for this entire expression, and I'm doing minus 1. Okay, and there is a open brace for your substring, right? For that you need to put the close bracket at the end. And if you go and execute here, can you see this? You put anything, it will work. If I put my name, okay, earlier Kavita length will be 7 characters, but my name length will be 5 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Still your query will work. This is completely dynamic. Okay,
Yeah.
and this is the starting position. This whole expression will give us what? Length. What length?
Length of the name.
Length of this middle name. Yes. అర్థమైందా? మెంటలెక్కుతుందా?
Clear గానే.
సార్ అగైన్ డౌట్ గా ఉంది సార్.
సరే,
అగైన్ లిటిల్ డౌట్ అనిపిస్తుంది లాస్ట్ లో.
Can you expect one
tell
second,
me what's your doubt? I can clear it off. నీకేం అర్థమైందో చెప్పు, అర్థం కాదు నేను చెప్తా. Tell me, where is your doubt?
Sir, after +1, CHARINDEX at the name there now, sir. It is for.
See, basically this is what? This expression is for what?
For second position, sir.
Second position, correct?
Yes, yes.
What is the second position there? Second space position, what exactly it will be? How much?
15.
Now let him tell.
15.
15, huh? Okay. It is 15, correct? Now what is this? What this one will give us?
First position minus 1.
First position. No, forget about minus 1.
First position.
This will give us first space position, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is first space position.
Yes, sir.
Now what is the first space position?
10, sir.
Second space position is 17, sir.
I think this is wrong. What you said.
17.
For this
17.
name, can you calculate the second space position?
Yes, sir.
Count it. No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 17, sir.
17, correct? Huh?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And what is the first space position?
11.
11, huh? Yeah. So now, ipudu, here we have a 1 bracket, right? Open that. Now let's select substring of @name, comma. So ipudu, when I'm evaluating this CHARINDEX of first space position +1, what is the first space position here? Can you see here? 11, right?
11,
sir.
11 plus 1 becomes
12.
So your character, selecting the character will start from 12th character onwards. What is the 12th character?
V.
Correct? It will try to select from V onwards. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Now again we have a open bracket here. This is your starting position. Now we need to find out the length. Open bracket. What is this position? Second space position is what? 70 minus what is the first space position? 11, correct?
Yes.
So if we simply close the bracket, what will happen? From 12th character onwards, from V it will start. From there, 17 minus 11 is what? 6, right? So from it will start from V and it will select next 6 characters including V. Okay, you calculate it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will calculating. It is taking the space also. Do you require that space?
No.
No. That is why I am doing -1 at the last -1. So here -1 means what? 6 minus 1 becomes 5. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So
Second
now
space, -1.
you see from 12th character V onwards, it will select five character, next 5 characters including V. Understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Any other
Now we
questions?
got it.
So this is how you need to evaluate. Any questions? Any questions? See, if you didn't understand, please let me know. మీరు షైగా ఫీల్ అయితే నేను ఏం చేయలేను ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా? Because these are very, 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 very important. I know it's very difficult to understand. Okay, that's why I'm asking these many times. అంత ఈజీ అయితే కాదు ఇవి రాయడం. Let me know. Everyone understand this?
Yeah.
Okay. So what you can do, no? You try with this. Okay. Maybe in the take it as a homework while doing this substring, right? So now I had given this one, right? You can try with this A_B_C_D_F. Okay. Now what you need to do now? You need to use any string function you use. I think for this one, whatever the homework I'm giving, right? For this one, definitely you need to use substring function only, substring and CHARINDEX. So what I need is I need A separately, B separately, separate result sets. E separately, F separately. Okay. So to get A, what you can do?
First position.
To get A, what you can do? Can I use the left function directly?
Yes, sir.
To get F, we can use right function. But to get B and all,
Substring.
definitely it's a subpart, right? You have to go for substring function only, correct?
Yeah.
Even for C, D, E, F and all, you need to, if you need to find this E position, what you need to do? First, you need to find out which @ position.
Last underscore.
Not last underscore. 1, 2, 3, 4.
3 underscore.
If I change the name, then it will get yeah. If I need to find out E, what is the first which underscore position we need to find first?
A and B in between.
This 4th underscore position. Plus 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
So that it will start from E onwards. Now the length of E would be
1.
1. That one you should not hard code. Okay, you need to find out, because maybe I may increase this length going forward. Okay, so you should write it in a dynamic way. How do you get the length of E?
In between E and F underscore minus in between.
Yes.
B
So
and E.
5th underscore minus 4th underscore -1, correct?
-1.
Same logic you need to apply, guys, here. However, whatever the logic I applied here, the same logic. The only thing is underscores are increased here. That's it. Anna?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here 5th underscore minus 4th underscore -1 means what is the 5th underscore position here?
Yeah. It is going to minus that underscore.
5th underscore position is
Position
10. 10, 10 minus what is the 4th underscore position?
8.
8. 10 minus 8. 2 minus 1.
1.
So which means this E position length will be 1 only, correct?
Yes.
Now what is this is the length, correct?
Yes.
What is the starting position?
9.
Fourth space position plus 1 na?
Yes.
Fourth underscore space position will be 8, right?
8 plus 1.
8 plus 1 becomes
9.
9. So which means it will start from E onwards, correct? Yes, that's it, guys. Very, very simple. Even though if I increase this character, still my query will work or not? Yes. So when you find out the fourth underscore position, it will start from 9 onwards. When it is finding the length, what will happen? This minus this means what? The number of fifth underscore position is increased now, correct?
Yes.
So it will minus it easily.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is completely dynamic. Okay. So you need to find out, this actually. You need to write expression for to find out A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Don't use left and right function for all to find out A, B, C, D, E, F. Write, substring function only. Okay. And if you wish to go ahead with all the 26 alphabets, it's your wish. Okay. E, F, G, H, anni raskondi. Or if you want, you can put something like this.
Okay.
But I want everyone to try with a single character first because it's very easy. I mean, not easy. You can easily understand. Okay. Then you can try with multiple characters in between. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now once you written these substring functions to find out this A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, or this complete string separately. To get every output, right, you have to write separate string functions, select queries. Okay. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now all these outputs to get this A, B, C, D, you have written all the substring functions, right? Everyone needs to ping me separately all your queries, not in the group. Okay.
No.
Because I want to understand everyone has done that individually. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So whatever substring function you have written to find out this A, B, C, D, E, F, okay, or to get this string subparts. So in the given string, so you have to write the substring functions and send me the screenshot of it.
You mean through WhatsApp?
Yes.
Okay.
Individually, not in the group.
Okay.
Understand everyone? All 82 people, 83. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
So if you have any doubt, let me know. And do not copy paste from others. నువ్వు పక్కన వాళ్ళ నుంచి కాపీ చేసినావు అంటే నిన్ను మోసం చేసుకుంటున్నాడు. Okay. So you try from your end. If you didn't get it, you ask me or you ask your batchmates and try to learn it. It is very, 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 very important. Interview gani, real time lo gani. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Ledu, if you wish to write for all 26 alphabets, it's well and good. Nikinga bagostai substring functions. Okay. A underscore B underscore C underscore till underscore 26 26 alphabets you have to write, and to display all the 26 alphabets separately you have to write 26 expressions. Okay na?
Yeah.
నువ్వు అది రాసావంటే నీకు సబ్స్ట్రింగ్ CHARINDEX మీద ఫుల్ గ్రిప్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Do that and send me the screenshots.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, that's all for today. ఇంకా నేను ఎక్కువ చెప్పానంటే ఇంకా జుట్టు పట్టుకుంటారు మీరు. Okay, see, it will be very interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
But the only thing is you need to try.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
Sir,